Trying to take a screenshot on WhatsApp but getting blocked by a security policy? Don't worry, in today's video I'll show you how to fix this issue so you can capture your screen again. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Steph, and in this channel I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Usually on your WhatsApp app on your mobile, when you tap on the profile picture of an account and try to get a screenshot, you will get a notification message saying screen capture is blocked. So what you can do is actually sign in to web WhatsApp. On your desktop or PC, go to web.whatsapp.com. Then open your WhatsApp app on your phone. If you own an Android, tap on menu. If you own an iPhone, tap on settings. Tap on link devices. Tap on link device. Scan the QR code as displayed on your desktop PC and the page will load and your WhatsApp chats will be loaded on your web browser. Then click on the account. Click on the profile picture. Here you can take a screenshot of the picture. On your Mac, you can press and hold Command-Shift-4 and select the area you want to take. On your Windows, you can press the Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool to select and screenshot the area. Now you will have the picture you need. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and